No one has been able to find a Coronado site in Arizona or Sonora. It's really the holy grail in terms of historical archaeology. There are so many theories about where Coronado went. Coronado! I can't frickin' believe it! Look at that. A medieval horseshoe here on the Baba Kumari. Is that not incredible? But it turns out that this was a town in 1541. So this was a European settlement. We are working now on the evidence that this is the Via of San Geronimo III in the Suya Valley. This site is as important as Roanoke and Jamestown, but it came first. So your direct ancestors are the people that greeted these first Europeans. And there was a major pitched battle here.
This is the site in North America of the very first major defeat of Spanish forces.
That makes this the first American Revolution.
This is another piece to our history.
A very powerful example of effective indigenous resistance.
We now have an opportunity to put forth the proper history.
It's been right here in our backyard this whole time.
She's got the smoking gun.
What in the world is in it? Oh, wow!